Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 9th of June, and given the kind of build-up of OI today, my idea was to take a sideways view because that's what the market is pricing in. I had some execution errors at the beginning that cost me a little because I entered and then had to exit my position. You can see the error I made in my trade book, which is available on our free Telegram channel. And so took a little bit of management at the beginning, but finally decided to take the 15750 short straddle because of how the market was positioning and how there was a build up of 14700 as well as 15700 and 15800. You have to forgive me, I spent months of dealing with Nifty being between 14500 and 15,000, so it just naturally comes out that way. Regardless, the reason I took an exit eventually, even with the potential trade being in my favor, because you're taking a short straddle 1 day prior to the expiry, it invariably will be in your favor. The reason I decided to take an exit is because there was a little bit of conflicting data. There was immense amount of at the money and in the money put writing. Most people would consider that bullish, but I was of the opinion that that is being used to hedge the risk against the people who have sold the 15800 call, and there isn't a chance for too much of an upside beyond 15800 despite the steady up move, despite just holding below 15800 by 10-20 points the entire time. There was a steady build up in open interest at 15800. So in this situation, I have to then look at the individual components and see where can upside come from. Bank Nifty made some big up moves in the morning, but after that decided to stay completely flat, and with the kind of open interest that's built up at 35,500, which is also seeing an increase in open interest, it doesn't suggest that there can be too much of an upside coming from Bank Nifty. Reliance and IT are flat. So in case that up move is coming in, especially with the whole, so one analogy is that 15800 short straddles are being built up. If that's being built up, where is the up move going to come from? Secondly, if the short covering hasn't already been done and now is going to trigger, that would mean that I have to take a position wherein my downside risk has to be increased. And I'm just not in the mood for doing that at this point. I will just wait it out. And lately, as you've seen, I've kept my risk reward very low. So decided to take the exit, and that's about the end of the day. In fact, for people who've only seen my videos from recent few weeks, my initial videos were all to do with straddling. I used to always have short straddles. That was the kind of trade I would take, at least initially. So this is more or less reverting to that, because for the past week I sort of wanted to observe the market behavior in this low VIX environment, and more or less the actual volatility is playing out as per what the implied volatility is suggesting. So that said, I hope you had a good trading day, and I will catch you tomorrow for the expiry date.
Want to meet like minded traders and discuss option strategies, adjustments, and more? Just type in Discuss Nifty in your Telegram search box and join the friendly trader community.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, from the looks of it, we have OI building at 15800 call and 15700 as well as 15750 short straddle. So, the market continues to project a very sideways kind of a situation around 15750. So, to play that, since today is a Wednesday, I initially entered by selling the 15700 and 15800, but the kind of volatility that we're seeing with a sudden dip looking like a breakdown followed by a massive up move is throwing us a little off guard. So rather than having to sit and manage up and down on a strangle, I'm now at a straddle position. The stop loss for this straddle position will be about 8 points, and the potential gain, if we continue to remain range bound, should be close to 15 points. So keeping that in mind, today's trade is going to be a straddle. At some point, if I have to go inverted or break the trend, I will also consider doing that. Um, so yeah, today is going to be relatively simple because this is more or less um, a position that in a short range would not require much management. Right now, the break evens on this position will obviously be 15850 on the upside and 15750 on the downside. In case the data is looking good, I might even consider hedging this position better by moving in the hedges and carrying it overnight. So yeah, we are doing the short straddle trade. I haven't done this in a few months on any day, which is not Thursday. We'll keep you posted. Time is 9:33. Okay, we have very continued kind of up move on the Bank Nifty. IT is flat, Reliance is flat. It's just Bank Nifty that's making all the big moves, and that is expanding these calls quite a bit. One option is to take half the puts and go inverted by selling the 15800 put, but this is too preliminary a situation to do that. I would rather wait because in this up move, there's actually an increase in the 15800 call, and there's no unwinding in the 15800 call. So this up move might be used to sell the 15800 call. Right now, we had a dip in the morning followed by an up move, which is more than twice the size of the dip. So we are seeing big moves. But at the same time, I don't think it should be any kind of cue to run out of the position because if majority of the move is coming from Bank Nifty, which is currently at 35, 350, it could be another 150 points in the Bank Nifty, but then it should face selling pressure towards 35,500. So that being the idea, we'll for now hold this position as is. And if we start testing 15800, then with part of the puts, at least half of the puts can go inverted by selling the 15800 put. We'll keep you posted. Time is almost 10 o'clock. I'm expecting the rise towards 15800 to get sold into uh, eventually. But yeah, a lot of strength in the banking index. We'll keep you posted. Time is 9:56. Okay, the time is 11:21, and through the entire up move, we have been seeing a steady build up of 15800 call. So the positions at 15800 continue to go up. Bank Nifty has met resistance at 35,380, which was a recent swing low, uh, and from there has been sideways. So is the entire market. Entire market is sideways, and I have basically a high estimate that 15800 should hold. But at the same time, I'm exiting this trade right now because one, I was trading a very tight stop loss of 1 point, and seems like that is starting to hit. And secondly, this is a Wednesday, and we might see some rapid moves left and right. Don't want to stay in the trade for now. Okay, just finished exiting the whole position. Basically, it comes down to this that there are straddle positions building up at 15800, and it's visible here. We have almost 160% increase in the number of puts OI at 15800, and there is an addition of call side OI as well. So we see both the put and the call, and 15700 has now is more or less positioning itself as the ceiling for tomorrow. Generally, it's tricky when the ceilings, evident ceilings, are on the downside and not the upside, right? So there is a high probability right now that 15800 breaks because of the current behavior of the market. In that breaking, people who have just gone short on this, 15800 call, they will panic cover. That will lead to a quick explosion of 20-25% on this call. This is all a possibility, not a certainty. But at that point, I'll be in a tricky situation where I have to take in put side credit at 15800. My only viable option to not exit the trade would have been to square off the 15750 put and sell the in the money 15800 put. That was my only viable option to continue to stay in the trade. Since I don't want to do that, uh, I don't want it, because see, one thing about the ceiling being on the downside is the rate at which longs can get unbound in case something goes wrong is much higher than shorts getting unbound. So overall, in a profit, decided to take that, and we'll see what to do tomorrow for the expiry. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter, Telegram, and Facebook, use the username NiftyBN. Also, we post some of our trades to the community tab. So do not forget to check that from time to time.